Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to install SuperCode and use those models for free. You can use DeepSeek V4 Flash for free, Hunyuan Hy3 for free, and MiMo v2.5 for free. For the other models, I have 128 more models. You can use it with your single API. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go ahead to Google. Download Node.js from this link. After downloading Node.js, go here to search button, search for command prompt, paste this comment, you can get it in the description and hit enter. Okay, our SuperCode package is installed. Let's close this command prompt and reopen it another time. Okay, now just type SuperCode. Okay, copy this command, highlight it, and press Ctrl C. Go down right here, Ctrl V to log into SuperCode. Okay, open browser automatically, yes. Okay, continue. Approve this device. Okay, for me it works automatically, but because I connected to my GitHub account. For you, you must go here to GitHub. Where is GitHub? Okay, connect your GitHub account and click approve your device. For me, I already done this. It's written right here. Okay, the identification is successfully, it works fine. And now run SuperCode without money. Okay, now let's run SuperCode. After running SuperCode, we have three options: login, help, init, chat. For me, I want to choose init. Just write SuperCode, init. Okay, start scanning our workspace. Okay, welcome. Now it's a workspace model. Let's see. Next slash. Let's see the models. Just type model. Okay, as you can see, there is three free models: DeepSeek Hy3 and MiMo 2.5. For GLM 5.2 is premium, KBK3 is premium. Okay, let's see. Let's go down. We have Opus 5, Sonnet 4. Okay, let's go down. Let's see the GLM 5.2 in this version. Okay, to use it, we have to paste our API. On me, don't have API. Let's return to models. Okay, this SuperCode allows you to use three models for free. When you search on the internet, for example, okay, this is in YouTube. Okay, you can get this video. As you can see, it's 20 miles view. 100 free AI content. You can use GLM 5.2, DeepSeek V4, Minimax, and other mods. But that's not
version 4
true.
Flash.
As you can see, when I go here to this part of this video, we can get this GLM 5.2, K 2.6, Minimax for free. For us, we have those three models for free, because the SuperCode, it makes those models premium 60 ago. It's not works anymore. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This is all for this tutorial.